So guys, the very first thing all you have to do is just download this Tropical Vibes mobile Lightroom preset with desktop Lightroom preset, also the camera preset. Now we're gonna just extract this rare file. Just right click on it and select extract here. Also do the same process on this camera preset. So when you will extract, you will find two folders. When you will open that, you will find a FP Tropical Vibes AVC 2020 Lightroom.lr template is the extension for your desktop Lightroom. So we're gonna just install it to the desktop Lightroom. So just right click on it and select the copy. Go to the C drive, select the user, go to the ashvircreation, go to the app data folder, go to the roaming, select Adobe, select the Lightroom, go to the develop preset and just go to the filter preset or any of the folder. You can just paste inside and just right click on it and select the paste, and here you can say FP Tropical Vibes AVC 2020. Now we're gonna just install the camera preset to Photoshop. So just right click on it and select the copy, and here instead of going to Lightroom, we're gonna just go to the camera, go to the settings and just paste the preset over here. So here you can see FP stands for filter preset, Tropical Vibes, AVC stands for ashvircreations 2020. Now we're gonna just restart the Lightroom as well as Photoshop, and let's apply the preset and let's see how it actually looks if you apply the preset to your photos. So let's take this photograph. Here I have already imported the photo to my Lightroom. So here instead of going to just go to the filter preset, that folder, here you can find FP, what was the name of that preset? FP Tropical Vibes AVC 2020. Now when you will apply the preset and you are done, you can see the difference. It is really looking very creative and amazing, guys. So here's the before and here's the after. So let's just try some more photo, this same preset with two other photographs. Let's try it on this photograph. Just click on this button and you are done. You can see the difference, a huge difference can be seen, and a kind of perfect pinkish skin tone it is giving to your photo, which is really making your photos to look more and more adorable. Let's apply to this photo. Just click on this and you are done. You can see the difference. It is really looking, guys, very creative and amazing. Let's just try it on this photo. So here's the before and here's the after. This one is really looking very dope. Let's just try it to some more photographs. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on this button and you are done. So guys, you can see the difference. It is really making your photos to kind of perfect Instagram look. You can use this preset to make perfect Instagram creative portfolio and just stand out your profile feed from the rest. Now we're gonna just start Photoshop, and let's just apply the preset with the help of camera, and let's start some of the photograph or open some of the images from here. So let's just minimize this photo and let's just select open some of the photos from here. So let's take some of the example photographs. Just take this photo, just drag and drop to Photoshop. You can also guys, download the mobile Lightroom preset which I have already given, so you can just check that out and just do this, apply the same preset to your photo with the help of mobile application, that is Lightroom. Now let's go to the filter, select the camera filter and just go to the preset tab, that is the last one. Now from here we're gonna find the FP Here is the FP Tropical Vibes AVC 2020. Now you can see the difference, guys. Here was the before and here is the after. This one is really looking very amazing, guys. Let's just hit OK and you are done. Now let's apply the same preset to other photos. Let's try it on this. Here now just directly go to the filter, select directly the camera, so it will automatically select the previous adjustment or the preset which you have used before. So you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. Really guys, this one is preset is amazing. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this preset and video. If you enjoyed, then just press the like button, and if you still not subscribed, then subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset, LUTs and many more cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff for free. Also check it out our second website, that is filterpreset.com. On that website also we're gonna find or the upload soon the most creative and the powerful preset. So guys, stay tuned on that website also. Also guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.